lungs. Among these, the lungs are the main respiratory organs in our body. So the lungs are the main respiratory organs in our body. Now student, I will show you some diagrams and I will explain the role of various organs in the process of breathing along with the diagrams. So listen to my explanation carefully and observe the diagram and its labelings also carefully. This diagram shows the human respiratory system. Students, you observe the labelings carefully. First you can see the nasal cavity or the nasal passage. Then you can see the pharynx. Pharynx is the common passage of food and air. Next you can see the larynx. Larynx is the voice box. Then you can see the labeling trachea. Trachea is the windpipe. And bronchi also you can see. Bronchi is the plural of bronchus. Again the bronchi are divided into smaller tubes called bronchioles. At the other end of these bronchioles there are very small air sacs. You can see it is labeled as alveoli. You can see a diaphragm. This is a muscular diaphragm labeled here. Now students, I will explain the role of each part or organs of the respiratory system. When we breathe in, the air enters through our nostrils. Hair and the moist inner lining of the nose prevent the dust and germs from entering the respiratory system. The air passing through the nasal cavity. Here you can see the labeling nasal cavity. The air passing through the nasal cavity gets warm and moist and enters the lungs through trachea. Student, you observe the labeling as the lungs. Lungs are the main respiratory organs in our body. There are two lungs. One is the right lung and another is the left lung. So the air passing through the nasal cavity gets warm and moist and enters the lungs through trachea, that is the windpipe, and bronchi. In lungs, each bronchus, that a plural is bronchi. So in lungs, each bronchus divides into smaller tubes called bronchioles. At the other end of these bronchioles, there are very small air sacs called alveoli. These air sacs are surrounded by blood vessels. Then you can see the labeling diaphragm. A large muscular diaphragm forms the floor. This diaphragm separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. Lungs are the main respiratory organs in our body. These lungs are enclosed in an airtight chest cavity called the thoracic cavity. This cavity is surrounded by ribs. You can see the ribs in the picture. The muscles of ribs and diaphragm move together during breathing. During breathing, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in the lungs. Now students, we will learn about the mechanism of breathing in humans in detail. Mechanism of breathing in humans, it occurs through inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation means taking in the oxygen, and exhalation means giving out the carbon dioxide. Or in simple language we can say that inhalation means taking in the air and exhalation means giving out the air. So what happens during inhalation? During inhalation, the ribs move up and outwards. The diaphragm moves down. In case of exhalation, the ribs move down and inward. The diaphragm moves up. Now students, I will explain this mechanism of breathing during inhalation and exhalation through some diagrams. So you observe the diagram carefully and listen to my explanation. This diagram shows the process of inhalation. You can see in the diagram that arrows are given at the tip of the nose. It shows that the air is drawn in through the nostrils. Next, the trachea. You can see the trachea. The trachea carries inhaled air to the lungs. The lungs expand, sucking the air in. The muscles contract to raise the rib cage up and outward. The diaphragm contracts and pulls downward. So during inhalation, the ribs move up and outwards and the diaphragm moves down. You can see the down arrow given below the diaphragm. These movements increase the volume of the chest cavity and the lungs expand. As a result, pressure inside the lungs decreases and fresh air rushes into the lungs. During inhalation, the chest expands. Next diagram shows the exhalation. You can see in the diagram the exhaled air is pushed out through the nostrils or lips. During exhalation, the lungs shrink and squeeze air out. The muscles relax and rib cage moves downward and inward. The diaphragm relaxes and springs upward. You can see the upward arrow below the diaphragm. The exhaled air is then pushed up the trachea to the throat, and the exhaled air is pushed out through the nostrils or lips. So during exhalation, the ribs move downward and inward, and the diaphragm moves up. Due to these movements, volume of the chest cavity decreases and the lungs contract. As a result, pressure inside the lungs increases and the air is pushed out of the lungs. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is mechanism of breathing in humans. I hope today's topic is clear to you. So study properly, take care of yourself and keep watching my videos. Thank you.